While sex may seem as natural as the birds and the bees, getting the most out of your sexual experience can be a rather complex task. While a happy sex life may seem like a breeze at some points in your life, there are a lot of things that can get in the way of healthy sexual activity and fulfilling romance. Are you struggling with issues related to your bedroom satisfaction? One thing that tends to get guys in trouble is that they focus too much on the physical act of intercourse rather than the foreplay that leads up to sex. Most women can only achieve orgasm when men put their due diligence in. Also, a warm-up session can help men relax and be ready for sex, reducing the risk of erectile issues and sexual insufficiency. Making a connection physically is ultimately more important than penetration when it comes to romance. If you find that you've been having trouble lasting long enough when you have sex, that's a pretty common problem for guys. Start-stop technique is an extension of the concept of thinking about baseball. When you find yourself close to orgasm, it's easy to go overboard and let loose too quickly. When you find yourself nearly there, slow down or even stop until you regain your composure. This is also known as edging, and a lot of guys and girls find distinct pleasure in it. While sex is great and fun in and of itself, when things get too routine in the bedroom, it can sap the passion and desire right out of the window. If you find that you're having trouble generating interest in your partner, take stock of your recent experiences. If you find it difficult to distinguish one sexual event from the last, you may just be getting bored. It's not that you aren't attracted to your partner anymore. You just need to come up with some new ideas to make things feel fresh again. This isn't only limited to sexual activity, but anything new and fun that gets you more in touch with your partner. Don't forget to talk out your desires and feelings. The body is only ready for sex when the mind is in a healthy state. If you've been struggling a lot with anxiety and stress recently, it can lead to general disinterest in sex or outright erectile dysfunction. These feelings make it challenging to focus on your desire for your partner. Furthermore, stress is both a physical and sexual issue. Physical responses to stress, like increased blood pressure and high cortisol levels, also contribute directly to diminished sexual function. Cortisol has a negative impact on sexual performance, largely because it eats away at the body's ability to produce testosterone and growth hormone. This also means that you can diminish the impact of stress both through physical and psychological means. Going for a daily jog or heading to the gym a few times per week can prove highly beneficial. Taking steps to manage mental stress, including meditation, therapy, or just improved communication, can also be highly effective at improving your sexual proclivity. There are a multitude of reasons to quit smoking, but tobacco products have a terrible effect on sexual health and potency. Cigarettes have a detrimental effect on circulation and blood pressure, which both must be properly controlled to maintain adequate romantic desire and ability. Study after study shows that men that quit smoking report improved erectile function and improved sexual wellness. Romance is as much a form of communication as it is an expression of desire and passion. If you're not open with your partner, this can have a frigid effect on your sex life. If there's anything that's been bothering you about your relationship, it's going to get in the way of your sexual ability. The same goes for your partner. This applies both to sexual concerns and those related to your interpersonal dynamics as well. You'll also find that discussing your wants, needs, and hesitations with your partner will help you get what you want out of your relationship, both emotionally and physically. We touched on this earlier, but getting more active is generally beneficial to your health and can greatly improve sexual performance. Engaging in regular cardio and lifting improves both testosterone and HGH levels, while also protecting your heart and cardiovascular system by warding off diabetes, heart disease, and hypertension. Exercise also serves as an outlet for psychological stress. There are even exercises which can help you last longer before orgasm and prevent premature ejaculation. One effective means to improve longevity in the bedroom is to practice stopping your urine flow by contracting the muscles associated with urination. These same muscles affect your propensity toward ejaculation. Conscious control of these muscles improves sexual performance. Mindfulness is the conscious psychological choice to consider the moment. It's a decision to cast off the demands of the future and thoughts of the past to experience the present. Many guys have issues with sexual performance because they get too lost in their circumstances and forget what it is like to just be. By taking steps to improve mindfulness, including meditation, one can get in touch with their desire more effectively and have better intimate moments. While some of these old-fashioned remedies may work because of the placebo effect, there are many that have been medically proven to provide real benefits. A study in 2018 put 24 herbal treatments to the test. Of all the herbs tested, ginseng offered the most potent benefits, while maca root and Pinus panaster also showed distinct promise. Just keep in mind that, although herbs are natural, you should still discuss your herbal decisions with a doctor and properly source your supplements. Emotional trauma can have a devastating impact on erectile function. Regular appointments with a counselor or therapist can help you pinpoint the issues which obstruct your sexual fulfillment and help you take care of the underlying problems which are getting in the way of your romantic passion. A therapist can help you understand yourself more effectively and help you overcome the triggers which keep you from fulfilling your bedroom goals. While lifestyle changes and personal choices can go a long way in improving erectile function, many men require medical intervention. There are a number of proven treatments available that can improve sexual ability, including Viagra and Cialis. Also, getting appropriate treatment for issues like high blood pressure and atherosclerosis can enhance sexual health. It's also important to be frank and open with your doctor about sexual issues which may be related to medications that you are currently taking. For example, many drugs for anxiety and depression also suppress libido and erectile function. These effects can be mitigated or prevented by tinkering with the dosage and administration of the drug or changing to another medication. Sexual ability is strongly tied to healthy hormone balance. Many of the natural strategies for improved performance discussed previously work because they bolster the body's production of testosterone, which is the keystone sexual hormone. They also have a positive effect on the expression of human growth hormone, which also has beneficial attributes with regard to physical health and sexual function. Low T and HGH deficiency are both common forms of hormone imbalance associated with aging, and a simple blood test can determine eligibility for treatment. Bioidentical testosterone therapy has helped hundreds of thousands of men worldwide experience improved sexual health via hormone restoration. Sermorelin acetate is a common treatment for growth hormone deficiency, which is affordable and effective for patients struggling with adult-onset HGH deficiency. If you are interested in Sermorelin for somatopause or testosterone for improved sexual performance and health, we encourage you to give us a call for more information about the effective hormone therapy treatments that we provide to patients nationwide. If you found this video informative, please click the link below in the description to learn more about what we have to offer to you.